Pala yung mga dadalhin ko. Very essential lahat to. Ito, may bag na punong-puno ng damit. Kasi parang 2 days, 1 night kami doon. And my cap, just in case ayoko mainitan. Ito yung bag ko na isusuot ko mga gamitin ko everyday. Ito, mga pang hair care, skincare, everything. And this one naman is makeup. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Tikman na lang namin. Dumplings. Palamig nung taco salad. Sakto lang siya. Ito naman kainit. Hanap ko na yung cup ko. Tingnan niyo si ma'am. We're just walking and walking and walking. Okay, ang init dito. Mas mainit pa sa Isabela. Mas mainit pa compared sa Isabela Island. Napaka-init. Naka-sleeveless pa naman ako dito. Naghihintay kami magbukas ng mall. Sinerge ko sa Google kung anong oras ang bubukas yung SM North EDSA. Sabi 10 AM. Tapos pagdating namin 11 pa pala.
Spicy, no spicy, or less spicy.
We're in a Thai restaurant. How old are you, mommy? Ayun. Sticky rice. The star of the show. We just tried Thai cuisine. Girl, nakakabusog yung mga pagkain nila. Or maliit lang talaga yung appetite ko right now. Pero ang bilis ko mabusog. Hindi ko na maubos yung coffee. Coffee tea. Uhulog yung straw ko, bilis. na ulit ako nagkape. Kasi sabi ko, titigil na ako magkape. Kasi naging unhealthy na ako. Because too much coffee is bad for me. Siyempre, pag lalabas na ako nagkakape. Unlike dati na parang everyday ako nagkakape girl. Magpagupit ako. Palayers. I'm at my favorite place, Miniso. Oh my gosh. Where are the perfumes? Pupunta ako sa Miniso para hanapin yung Stranger Things merch. Wala, bes. Nakita ko lang Harry Potter, Blackpink. Ang cute nung plushie na yung Blackpink na slide stick. Hindi ko tinignan yung price. Anong na-realize ko na wala yung Stranger Things. Nagpunta na ako sa perfume section kasi Miniso perfumes talaga yung ginagamit ko. Oh my god, look at this book. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. A fantasy girly like me would buy all of you, but I'm broke. Game of Thrones. Let's go. Oh my god. Literally every book that I want to buy nandito. Oh my god. Let's stand to look for the counter. I'm gonna buy this because we love the Targaryens, even though they're very problematic. I bought it. Shing. Look at that. Look at that. That's cute. Well.
Star leads us into Canada, a place of color and history. Love follows the star.
Kon na dito. Puppies. Pero puro bags. Pili ko kailangan isa-is ng bags. Wow! So cute. I want that. Artificial snow. It's the Starbucks experience for me, pero sayaw na. Here's our room. Kitchen. Wow, meron siyang may oven. Merong microwave. Like that. And meron din to. May sink. And what? And, oh my gosh. Merong wash area. Oh my god. Wait. Ngayon ko lang ito nakita. And connected siya. And by CR siya na napakaliit. Where's the lights? Ayan. Napakaliit na CR. May wash area. So, pwede na akong maglaba. Maglaba dito. And, parehas kami ni Mama nagtutour. At yung living room. That's the lights. Merong ano dito. And pwede ako maglaro. Oh my gosh. And this is the bathroom and dining area. And ito yung magiging room ko. Na iisa lang naman ako, pero yung isa... Look at that view! Oh my God! Oh my God! Pwede na akong tumalon. Charot. No, Lisa, no! And this is the closet. Wow! Gusto ko na tumira dito. And hindi siya, yung babagsak na slow closer something. So cute. And vanity na o-open kasi hindi pala saksak. Ayan, cute na vanity. And these are my beds. OMG. Hi guys. So as you can see, nasa hotel na kami and nasa 20th floor kami ngayon. Meron akong sariling kwarto. This is supposed to be for 2 people kasi double single bed siya. Kaso wala naman akong magiging kasama. Naman kasi dito kaya ito yung pinili ko. And so wala ipakita sa inyo yung view kasi it's so pretty. Actually parang nagsisisi na ako na hindi ako nagdala ng swimwear ko kasi matagal pa lang open yung swimming pool. Like 9 AM to 11 PM? Open siya, girl. Kung ako yun, susulitin ko na. Right? Look at this. Ang ganda ng view dito, promise. Oh my God. Girl, look at this view. Wow. May greenery sa taas. Cute, no? JP Morgan Chase. And the flowers on the ground, it's so pretty. And the people on the land, it's so cute.